we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say it? Well, there are going to be different ways of pronouncing it depending on the language. In Spanish it would be said as Julia, Julia. In Italian, Julia, Julia. In English though, it is usually said as Julia, with the U forming a U sound, because it's more of a Spanish-Italian originally name. Julia, pretty straightforward once you know Julia, Julia or Julia. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.